Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have come with another problem of mensuration 2D. So it says there are three circles of radius r. So these three circles are of radius r and these are joined like this. You have to find the area of the shaded region. To find the area, our first step is we have to join the centers of the three circles. So first step, join the centers of the three circles. Now you observe that this all circle have radius r. So we get a triangle which has side, all the three sides are 2r. So in this triangle, let's name it ABC. All the sides of triangle ABC are 2r. Therefore, this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So, all the angles of this triangle ABC are 60 degree. Now, to find the area of the shaded region, that is this region, first you find the area of the triangle, that is ABC. And then, from the area of the triangle, you subtract the area of these three regions. These three regions are called sectors. So to find the area of the shaded region, subtract the area of the three sectors from the area of the triangle. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of the triangle minus area of the sum of the three sectors. Now we have to know that what is a sector and how to find the area of a sector. So a sector of a circle is a part that is composed of two radii and an arc. So see here, these are two radius of the circle, two radii of the circle, and this is an arc of the circle. So a sector is the area middle of this, that is composed of two radii of a circle and an arc of the circle. So this is called a sector of a circle. For example, this is also a sector of the circle because this is also composed of two radii and a arc. So this area is also a sector of a circle. This area is also a sector of a circle. I hope you understand what is a sector of a circle. Now let's see how you can find area of a sector. So the circle, the whole angle is 360 degree. So for 360 degree angle, the area of the circle is pi r square. Now suppose the angle of the sector is theta. So for angle theta, the area will be theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So this is the sector of a circle. So this is the area of a sector. So here I have written area of sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Now let's come back to the original problem. Here we have to find the area of the triangle. So the triangle is an equilateral triangle of side 2r, because you understand that this is the side of the triangle and this radius is r, this radius is also r. So side of the triangle is 2r. Now what is the area of an equilateral triangle? Formula for area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is side of the equilateral triangle. Therefore here the area is root 3 by 4 into 2r whole square. That is equal to root 3 by 4 into 4r square. So we get root 3r square because 4 and 4 gets cancelled out. Now we have to find the area of the sector. Now you observe that what is the angle? The angle was 60 degree. So there are three sectors that have angle 60 degree. So let's find area of one sector. So it will be 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So we get, here we get 1 by 6 pi r square. Now what will be area of the three sectors? We will add them. So 3 into 1 by 6 pi r square. So we get 1 by 2 pi r square. Therefore area of the three sectors equal to, so area of the three sectors, that is equal to pi by 2 r square. Our area of the triangle, that is root 3 r square. Therefore area of the shaded region, that we have to find, area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of the triangle, that is root 3 r square minus sum of the area of the three sectors, that is pi by 2 r square. So let's take r square common and you get root 3 minus pi by 2. So this is the area of the shaded region. Thanks for watching.